things which is important for them to make their career future brighter, prosperous, right? And then under the leadership of Sir, Principal Sir of Dolni Polo Vidya Niketan, they are doing very good. They are also focusing not only in academics, but also I can see they are actively engaged in the physical part of it also. So I think the patriotism should be from core, from heart, and it should come no matter what is your age, right? And the elder can have that patriotism feeling as well as the youngerhood also, because we require that patriotism feeling. Only the country which has patriotism built inside us in genes, then that countries can prosper and become a developed nation.
हमारा विद्यालय का उद्देश्य है सर्वांगीण ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट। तो ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट के तहत हम हर एक क्षेत्र में हम ध्यान देते हैं, इसीलिए हम विद्यालय में ये साल में एक बार और प्रतिदिन हमारा कालांश है, इसका रहता है, पीरियड है, और इसके लिए ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट के क्षेत्र में हम इनको विकास करने के लिए लगाते हैं।
विद्या भारती एक बड़ा संगठन है। इट्स अ बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अक्रॉस द कंट्री रनिंग more than 30,000 institutes in school education and higher education. Naturally, our priority is to train people to become a very good citizen. So, man-making initiatives are given topmost priority here. Every school of Vidya Bharati will have 30 initiatives for building their personality. So, among those initiatives, this physical, what you call activity is one, Shariraka Shiksha is one. So, naturally, we conduct a sports meet, annual sports meet in every school. Sports activity is a common daily routine activity. Yoga activity is also a compulsory activity. Like that, there are many more activities. Paryavarana Parirakshan, environmental protection is a subject for which a syllabus is already prepared by us. So in that way, our students are performing. It is for you to judge and encourage them to become better citizens in the for the best interest of the country. Thank you. By good people. So naturally, our schools and educational institutes should concentrate on developing the personality of these people. Naturally, they will be working for the development of the country, and then what you call the security, economic prosperity, social harmony, all these aspects will be maintained. Peace and harmony, they are maintained when they become good citizens. For that, schools are the basis, and for which we are striving in total. That's it.